Good morning, adventurers.
Good morning from Bucharest.
Yeah, so we got here in Romania in our last video. We took a flight over from Greece and we're in Bucharest and we've been digging the city so far. We had a day where we just kind of got some work done and got some coffee.
Oh yeah, the
went to
coffee
a bar.
here is delicious. The beer here is delicious so far.
Yeah, the city's pretty beautiful. There's a lot of really nice architecture here.
Yeah, it's a very interesting mix. I think we'll be able to show it to you guys a little bit today.
Yeah.
Because we are going on a food tour.
Yeah, so we figured that's like the best way to get a little precursor to Romanian food. So we're gonna do a food tour. We're gonna meet up with Dane and Stacy, which I think we mentioned in our last video. They're gonna do the tour with us. But I'm not sure if it's all gonna be Romanian food, but we're definitely gonna get to taste some, and we are crazy excited.
I'm very excited. I've done a little digging, and from what I can see, I think we're really gonna enjoy Romanian food, so I'm excited to dig in.
All right, let's do it. Guys, the food tour is underway. We've met up with Dane and Stacy. Hey guys, how's it going? And our tour guide, hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're ready to eat some food.
We are.
Let's do it.
These are called pufulets, which is a very small snack. So it's the kind of snack that we used to have when we were kids. That's without any flavor or anything else added.
Like popcorn in a stick.
And what do you call this again?
Pufulets.
Ah,
this
okay.
is called pufulets, yeah.
It's good. I like it.
Yes.
It's like eating popcorn, but you don't get the kernel stuck in your teeth. So it's like,
Oh yeah, it does taste like popcorn, but
it's like the fancy version of popcorn. Our first official stop is La Copac, and we learned that it means the tree, which there's a big tree
huge
there.
tree in the middle. But it's a very cool place, and we got some Romanian wines, some Romanian beers to start off.
Yes.
Cheers, guys.
Noroc.
Yeah.
Noroc. Noroc. Noroc.
Noroc.
Y'all, the food just arrived. It looks freaking amazing. I think I'm going to try, there's an eggplant, red pepper, tomato, onion dip. Mostly red pepper, I believe. It's a cold dip, but it looks so good. It's so red and pretty.
Be careful because it's very hot.
Oh, it smells so good. Everything has so many veggies in it, y'all. I'm so excited. It's smoky. It's got a little pepper in there. It's mostly, it almost kind of tastes like the smoked spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce.
It kind of has that look about it too. It really looks like a kind of a tomato or spaghetti sauce.
But the smokiness is awesome. It's almost like barbecued tomato pepper sauce. They were saying it's an autumn dish because it stores really well, so you can put it in a jar and keep it on your counter. I guess since it's supposed to be served cold, that you can just have it shelf stable. That is amazing though.
We've just been, while they're kind of filming their little spots, we've been digging into this platter over here. They've got a bunch of vegetables and meats and cheeses, and it's all really delicious. We've just been mixing it all together, and it's real good.
Oh, it's so good. You know, from Greece, we loved all the little meze dishes that we got, and this is very reminiscent of it, but very different flavors. The meat in particular is crazy amazing. The pastrami and then the pork sausage is so good, and the cheeses are really interesting. This salty cow cheese, it tastes like cottage cheese, but in like
it's like solidified in little sticks.
Yeah,
it's really interesting.
It's all pretty amazing.
Next up, I'm gonna give this a try. It's called Bos, I think, and it's cheesy polenta. Apparently, polenta is very popular in Romania. Oh, it's really interesting.
That good, huh?
Yeah, I mean we've had polenta before, but this is really like gooey and creamy, and it's got like this layer of cheese. It's all kind of mixed in now, but it had like this layer of cheese on the top of it. And I think we're more used to it just being like hard and solidified, but this is really nice. Yeah, it's really tasty.
Salată de fasole bătută. This is like fasole bătută, but
fasole bătută. That's what this. Okay, so this dish is kind of hummus-like. Apparently, it's beans that have been boiled and mashed down and there's garlic, and then it's topped with the onions and the roasted red peppers. It's really good. It's really savory, and it's got a lot of flavor in it. It's kind of, I like that it's really oily from the peppers and onions on top, I think, but it's so good. It's so interesting.
This is the way to do it. We're just going like from one thing to the next, mixing it all together. It's so good. Someone recognized us at the restaurant. We're gonna get a little group photo.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Helena.
Helena. She's been so nice. Nailed it. Bye.
Bye. Great to meet you.
That was so funny. That never happens to us. We were so caught off guard. She was like, "The Endless Adventure." I was like, "How do you know that?"
I don't know. We forget because we just feel like we're two normal schmucks, and we just happen to have a camera. We forget that you guys actually watch us and know
that's
us.
awesome. But anyways, the food was amazing.
Oh, it was so good. Oh my gosh. But we still have more stops to make, so we try not to eat too much. And I'm really looking forward to the next few dishes.
All right, onward.
Getting into carriages?
Yes.
Ah, yes.
I'm trying to guess what this is used for, but Allison got it.
I got it. Thanks, England. I think you taught me that. Alright, for our second stop, we came and we're trying these, if I can get it. This is called meech, which is like naked sausage. It's casingless sausage. So it's pork and beef sausage in there with some garlic, and they gave us a huge side of mustard to try with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, shoot. So it's like a perfect combination of a sausage and a meatball combined. So it has the texture of like a burger almost, or a meatball, but the taste of sausage. That is very delicious. Who needs a casing? Free the sausage!
That was brilliant. That was absolutely brilliant. You win.
Yeah. So I think normally these are grilled up, like our veggies were earlier on a charcoal grill. These ones might have been baked, but I can imagine having a cold beer in a park with these. Ooh, yeah, that would be great. And the mustard, perfect.
So this is tart with coffee and caramel. This is biscuit salami. And these are called nuts. I mean,
I gotta try the biscuit salami first because that is the funniest name for a dessert I think I've ever heard of. So there's actual biscuits in there, as you can see, and some chocolate, I think, and butter, of course, and sugar and things.
Looks like a big hunk of cookie dough.
Whoa. Is there like Kahlua in there? Mm-hmm. Is there some sort of like alcoholic essence?
Are și alcool? Salamul de biscuit? No. Stuff with the raisins. Raisins.
Oh, it tastes almost like amaretto or something.
Yes.
Alcoholic raisins.
Yeah. Maybe I'm just already at happy hour right now.
It's rum. I think it's rum. Rum inside, yeah?
Yeah.
It's rum.
I knew there was some alcohol.
Yeah.
I'm an expert detecting alcohol.
You guys, we've been eating these little balls, and they're freaking delicious. Tell me again what these are.
So these are called nuts, you know?
They're called nuts. So when you said that, I thought there would be like nuts on the inside.
It's filled with, it's filled with cream.
Yeah, so it's got a bunch of cream on the inside and then kind of a cookie, biscuity type of thing on the outside. It's really good.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh yeah. It's like cookie dough or something. It's so good. Are you guys enjoying the tour so far?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Such an incredible variety as well.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuffed though, honestly. I've eaten too much. Yeah. By the way, we're going to be linking to the video that these guys are making. Well, I don't know when their video is going to go up, but we'll link to their channel. Your video is probably going to be up before ours anyway.
I'd say it'll probably be a little bit ahead, yeah.
Yeah, but make sure you head over to their channel, give them a subscribe, watch all their videos. They make some amazing travel videos, and they're just awesome people in general, so make sure you check them out.
Too kind.
Yeah,
looks like an apple.
It's shaped like a heart.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So now it's very soft.
Oh, it feels like it would just break.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, our second to last stop, we got even more goodies. So we have, this one's a sweet one filled with Turkish delights. It's a little bakery that we came to.
I don't think we've ever had Turkish delight.
I don't
I'm not
honestly
even sure exactly
know what it
is.
means, but it sounds delightful. And then we have this one that's supposed to be more of like a savory, salty one. It's got that salty cow cheese in there that we had earlier, like those sticks. So the sweet and the savory again.
There it is.
Oh, it's really not sweet. It's interesting. It's almost like a salty Danish or something like that. It's really flaky.
Yeah.
Almost like a croissant with cheese in there. It's really good. This would be really good for breakfast. I have no idea what to expect.
The shell is very soft with the pastry part.
Oh. Whoa. There's like a gel in there.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh.
Huh.
There's
Wow,
a
that's
weird
weird.
consistency. It's good. It's like vanilla and sweet. It's almost like a cookie on the outside. I don't know that I love the jelly stuff with it. The taste is great. Just the texture is very, very unique.
It's
It
kind of
tastes
good.
really good.
Oh, I kind of
But
like
it's
it.
like having a jelly bean in the middle or something.
Yeah, it's not quite like jam consistency. It's more thick, like definitely like a jelly bean for
Yeah.
sure. This is really good, I think. I don't know.
It's, yeah.
So we have parted ways with our guide, Laura. She was amazing, by the way, took us on an awesome tour. We learned a bunch about some Romanian dishes. There's still so
And-
much more for us to try, though.
Yeah, we learned all about the city as well, which was really cool. So
Yeah,
it was
we
like a
kind of
whole
did a little bit of a
package.
city tour, too. We
Yeah.
got to go in some old buildings and stuff. It was really nice.
Very cool.
But we're sitting down for a much-needed brewski.
Yes.
Cheers, everybody. To
How are we
Romania.
fitting these in, though?
I don't know. We've eaten
There's always
so
room
much.
for beer. Her tour company is called Bucharest Step by Step. We're going to be linking to her in the description below. So if you guys come to Bucharest, we highly recommend checking out her tour. She has other tours as well, so you can browse the website and scope those out.
Yeah, you can see all sorts of things in the city with her perspective.
Yeah, but we're going to chill here. There's a football game on. We know nothing about that, but,
it's
we're enjoying
happening.
it anyway.
Everyone's
It's a nice
excited about it.
atmosphere, yeah.
Yeah, and we'll make sure to link to Dane and Stacy's video below
Yeah,
so you can
what? Go
see
check
their
'em out.
perspective on the day. Good night, adventures.
We'll see you on the road.